guys, today we're going to be taking a look at how to upgrade the RAM on this Dell 7010 Optiplex small form factor. This computer was only running 4 gigabytes of RAM when I first purchased it, and for doing videos and uploading and editing and stuff like that, it was lagging quite a bit. So by doing this upgrade, I spent under $60 on Amazon. So it's a cheap, easy upgrade. We'll go ahead and drop down now. I'll show you the before and the changing the RAM out. Okay guys, today time for a little upgrade. Got two 8 gigabyte sticks of RAM. This computer is only running 4, which for doing video editing and live streaming kind of blows. So picked up these Timetech memory sticks. Not too bad. There's what your RAM looks like. I am having to record on my phone since my webcam is obviously not able to use. So this is a Dell 7010. To get to the RAM on this, you have to disconnect all your cords, obviously, and then actually I don't even have to disconnect that one. Gonna lift up on this tab, slide back, and I'm gonna fold it out of the way. And then on these computers, there's a little tray right there. You slide it back, you hear it click. And there's your hard drive. So here we're left with our RAM. And there's our 4 gigabyte that we're taking out. These are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to take first one, and put it in the slot 1. You should hear it click on both sides of it. We'll go to the one that says slot 2, the other white one. Once again, should hear 2 clicks. Throw this one back in the packaging. And that right there should have taken me from 4 gigabytes up to 16 gigabytes. So, with any luck, we should have a little bit faster system. Figure out how to line this back up now. And this guy just clicks back in. Flip this back around. Click that back on. And that's it, guys. That's how to change the RAM on a Dell 7010 small form factor. Alright guys, so here if you pay attention to the memory up in the corner, we're running about 40%. Now I've got several windows open on the computer and I'm running Logitech Capture for media. We're still only running 43% of the memory. So I'm going to add Streamlabs into that just to kind of give you an idea. This has definitely been a pretty big improvement. I don't have near the lag. It was getting to where Streamlabs would actually take like 5 minutes to open, just because it was lagging out so bad. So now that I've changed that, it's a lot easier to go back and forth. Like, see, I can open it now. So this has made quite a bit of difference. Let's go ahead and change that back to regular view. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a basic, simple, under $60, went from 4 gigabyte DDR3 to 16 gigabyte DDR3, and I actually still have room for another 16 gigs, so that may be coming up here in the future. The computer's performing a lot better. I'm really happy with the way everything turned out. It's a Timetech memory sticks, so I'll try to put a link to their Amazon store in the description of this video. Y'all have a wonderful week.